Hello everyone. Today, let's talk a little bit about a significant health issue that is not widely known called APOL1 mediated kidney disease. Did you know that over 37 million Americans are affected by kidney disease and most don't even know it? There are typically no or minimal symptoms until it gets pretty bad towards the end. This particular form of kidney disease is caused by a genetic variant in the APOL1 gene. Half of Black Americans have at least one copy. 1 in 10 have 2 copies, and 1 in 5 of those will go on to develop kidney disease. Going back, evolutionarily, this gene coded for proteins that helped us deal with local and contemporary to the time pathogens such as Trypanosoma brucei, which causes African sleeping disease. This protective effect likely led to increased frequency of these gene variants in the population where the disease was prevalent. However, these same variants are now linked to a higher risk of developing certain types of kidney disease. The evolution of the APOL1 variants is a classic example of how genetic traits can be beneficial in one context, but detrimental in another. So now, today, we're dealing with the drawbacks of this adaptation as it now manifests as kidney disease in people of the African diaspora and in Latino and Latinas. What happens in APOL1 variant kidney disease is the APOL1 gene produces a protein that harms the structure inside the kidney cells. This damage primarily affects the glomeruli, the tiny units within the kidney that filter the blood, causing conditions like focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, and also hypertension attributed end-stage renal disease, because over time, the kidney's ability to filter the blood effectively diminishes because of all the scarring and the pressure. At this point, the only treatment is transplant or dialysis once our kidneys fail. But what does this mean for you and your loved ones? It means being proactive about kidney health is more important than ever. Regular checkups, understanding your family health history, and staying informed are key steps in prevention and early detection. Perhaps even seeing a functional medicine physician that incorporates precision medicine and genetic testing into her practice would be useful for you. We cannot do anything about our genes, but we can help influence which genes are activated or inhibited to an extent. Also, we can mitigate other health factors such as inflammation and maximize overall health status from various angles to support our physiology to minimize the chance that these damaging genes will express, and if they do, the amount of damage they actually cause.